Hi there, I have some time to kill, so I thought I'd do a what's in my car video since I've never done one before too. This is the key for the garage. This is a manual for my other car, and let's see, it's a tire pressure gauge. Let's see, so I'm walking around. Here it is. Yes, I'm waiting for my man at the general hospital, so this is my view here. Alright, okay, let's see. Turn off the fan. How many kilometers are left? There we go. That's a lot of kilometers for, I think this car is about 3 years old. 10:14. What day is it? Thursday, July 15, I think it is. Or is it 16? One of those. Umbrella, CD case, a Swiss Army knife, a pen that actually works, a wrapper from this morning's protein bar breakfast, an empty glass bottle, which I meant to fill with water but I forgot, solar flashlight, a snout pillow for that guy, because he always puts his paws, his front paws in the back, and he puts his snout there. In here, let's see, some discount cards for a gas station, and what's that other one? Grocery store in the States. GPS. I'm trying to look past that view of the camera. Window breaker. I don't have much in this car. I don't see it as a storage bin, so I keep it pretty empty. I was kind of surprised by the amount of stuff people keep in their cars from some of the videos I've seen. We have napkins. Let's see, what's that? A wet nap, and these suction cup window sun shades. They don't block out that much sun though. Here's a air freshener, but I didn't buy that for the smell. I bought it because it looks cute. I have one here too, and this Pink Panther crystal charm. Let's see, in here it's this little pouch that came with the car. The passports of my ball and chain and I, vaccination documents for the dog, and insurance papers. Here's my American wallet. I have all the loyalty and discount cards for when the family goes to the States. I have some American cash in here. I think I have like $8 and some change. The Nexus cards and tape measure. In the back here, I don't generally keep things in the door back there, so I know there's nothing there. Here's one of those folding sun reflectors for the windscreen. Dog bed, travel buddy, and this blanket. Let's see if no one's around. And I'll get out. I'll show you the trunk. People are coming. woke the dog up. Travel buddy again. I have my sun hat, an empty can of gas, because we're all going to the States after and gas is cheaper there, so I'm gonna fill that up. That had Blitz's breakfast this morning. There's some dog toys, his leash. There's some shopping bags in here. Another sun reflector, which I put along the side when the dog sits in the car. Just cover up this can so it doesn't smell. Okay, let's go back. Okay, that's the tour. I really don't have much in this car. So thanks for watching and have a beautiful day. Bye!